Hello, friends. Very good evening to all of you. I'm Sheikh Brothers. How are you all? Hope you will be fine. Uh, First of all, dear friends, extremely sorry for my bad English because my mother tongue is Hindi, so I can't explain correctly in English. So just I'm making a video for my friends who is asking how you picked intraday trades. So yesterday I have already made a video regarding yesterday trade which I took at 2520. I think this one. Okay, let's discuss for today. So today I have taken two trades. First is, let's switch in M15 time frame. So as you know, yesterday this was the yesterday trade. I took this one. Okay, so today before opening London session, I have seen signature setup. You can say signature setup or just QM level. This is high. Wait. Oh my god, my battery is going to die. This is high, and this is low. This one is higher high. Okay, and this is a break of structure. This one is a break of structure. After breaking structure, I have just marked this one is a liquidity. So my pending was 2520. Sorry, my pending was 2520. Stop loss is standard, that is 30 pips. Okay, my all trades stop loss is fixed, that is 30 pips, or you can say 3 USD. So you can see after taking trade price boom. Okay, and another trade was today NFP. So overall market is a downtrend. Why I'm saying is a downtrend? Because you can see here I was waiting for liquid. I was waiting for sweep this high. You can see price just sweep this high. After sweeping this high, I switch in M5. In M5, I got this bearish candle, which is showing price will preparing to go down. Even before making the bearish engulfing, you can see multiple rejection. So after making this candle, I just draw. I just put limit here. Okay, and market is just kiss my pending, and boom, I can show my trade. See first trade. Yeah, no, this one. Yeah, this one was the first which trade which I taken in a London session. This one. Okay, and another trade is which is running this one. Okay, thank you.